So let's have a look how you can easily view Wi-Fi password on any Android device. Throughout today's demonstration, I'm going to leverage Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 Android-based tablet device. So as a first step, I'm going to swipe down in the right upper corner of the screen. Then I will select the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. From here, I navigate to the connections menu, then select the Wi-Fi, and here I will have listed currently connected Wi-Fi network or previously connected Wi-Fi networks. So I will select the one for which I would like to display my Wi-Fi password. And on selected Wi-Fi network, I can click on the QR code button. This will display the QR code that includes the Wi-Fi network settings such as SSID and passcode in the clear text. So let's say I would like to view those settings. So I can use multiple methods. So for example, if I have another phone, I could just leverage on the phone either the camera and built-in functionalities, or I can leverage the mobile QR code application and scan this QR code on the tablet, which will display me SSID and password to this network. Alternatively, if I don't have any mobile with camera settings and QR code up, then what I can do, I can save this QR as an image with built-in functionality, or I can just simply take screenshot of the currently presented screen. And then I can open the Google Lens application on the tablet device and select the QR code image that we previously saved. And the Google Lens application will read the QR code and will display its data, such as network name, password, and network type. So this is how you can view the Wi-Fi password on Android device.